Hello everyone. So tonight I'm doing another notched flip cup, and I was so excited to get started that I went ahead and put my base coat down before I even turned on the camera. Sorry about that, but I think everybody's seen that before, so I'm not going to worry about it too much. My base coat color that you see here is a mix of phthalo blue from Amsterdam, permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, which is a really dark purple color, and Golden's Payne's Gray. So it has created this beautiful semi-transparent blue-violet color. I'm really loving it, and I think it's going to dry really dark, but the colors that I've got to go with it are really vibrant. So I've got Amsterdam's turquoise green, I've got Amsterdam Reflex Yellow, and I have Amsterdam's Azo Orange, Amsterdam's Permanent Red Violet Light, and this is Amsterdam's Manganese Blue. So a really colorful palette to go with this really dark background, so it should give me some great contrast. So I'm going to go ahead and layer my cup, and I'm going to do it like a sandwich pour again. So I'm going to put a very hefty coat of the base coat color in the bottom of the cup. And then I'm going to layer these colors. Instead of floating down the side of the cup or doing a dirty pour, I'm going to attempt to layer them right on top of each other. And the thing that I'm doing differently today, besides using a dark base coat instead of white, is that I have added 1 drop of silicone to each of these vibrant colors. So I'm hoping to get some really cool cells out of it. So I started with the turquoise green, and then I went to the reflex yellow, and now I'm doing the Azo orange, and then the red violet light. I'm specifically layering this color in this order because I'm trying to keep the blues as far away from the oranges as possible. I want the orange to pop up through the blue, but I don't want it to mix. There we go. And I'm realizing I've done it again. I haven't shown you my I haven't shown you my paint consistency. I'll do that in just a moment. I'm going to do another layer of this, and then I will top it off with the base coat color. So my friend Julie E. pointed out that this notched flip cup is like combining a flip cup with an open cup pour, because as the paint comes out of the notches, it kind of does an air swipe, just like it would on an open cup pour. And I think that's the best way to describe it. I think it's perfect. So there we go, 2 layers of color. With the dark red on top and the bottom. There we go. So now let that sit for a second, and I will use one of these cups to show you my consistency. So this is the manganese blue. There's enough left that you can see it. So it does leave a mound on a mound, but I have added a significant amount of water to this to thin it down. It is my regular pouring medium, which is a mixture of Floetrol PVA glue and gloss varnish. So it does leave a mound on a mound, but it disappears fairly quickly. There you go. So we're going to set these colors off to the side. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You should be able to see it better now. The fun part of this is watching it come out of the cup. I love that part. Okay, So in my notched flip cup this time, I have 4 holes again, and I'm gonna try and get it so that the flow comes out towards the corners. So when I flip for the beginners, I like to tuck my elbow against my rib cage because it gives my arm some more stability. And then I hold it with a couple of fingers underneath the cup and then just gently grip the side, just barely touching the sides here. So, and then I count 1, 2, 3, flip. And there we go. Ooh, some of it's already coming out over here, look at that. Oh, so we want it to come out a little faster, so we're going to go ahead and poke a hole, let some air flow out. Wow, look at that. So cool. Lots of cells already coming up. So far, so good. Now I see some air bubbles, but I'm not going to torch because there's already a lot of cells. So I'm gonna let that wait for a minute. Seems like most of the paint has left. So I am going to start lifting the cup, and I think I'm going to twist again. I liked that. If you haven't seen my other experiments with this technique, I will link them up above. I've done 2 before, and the one I liked the most, I kind of, as I lifted the cup, I twisted it, and it gave a really cool effect, so I'm gonna do that again. So here we go. Twist as we pull it up. There we go. Awesome. Wow, those colors sure are vibrant. I love it. This one petal is very dark, where the others are all light. Okay. I think I do want to wreck that center again, just to give it a little more, just to pull some of those colors in. So I'm going to use my Ceramac Smack Stick, and I twisted this way, so we're going to come, I'll go right here, pull those colors in. And we'll go here and pull that color in. Bring the paint back to the center a little more. It's already kind of traveling on me. Okay, let's give this a gentle spin and see what happens.
They're coming to get me tomorrow. Got no more if you ain't tired of me yet, baby, have you still got time for loving me? I wanna know if you ain't tired of me yet, baby, have you still got time for loving me? Oh, all this pain, all in vain, got no more time for loving you. Whoa, all this pain, all in vain, got no more time for loving you. All right.
So here are the wet results of my third attempt at a notched flip cup. Very interesting results. My friend Kelly from Feral Art suggested in my last video in the premiere that I could run a marble through it, and I think it was a great idea. So I did. I hope you like it, Kelly. I'll take you in for some details here. As expected with the silicone, lots of great cells. Very vibrant against that dark blue. My phone does not want to focus when it's a dark background. I love the effect of running that marble through cells. I think it's super fun. Look at that section there. Sorry about the glare, but I love that. It's almost like feathering when it comes through the cells there. Very nice. Great color combo, I think. Look at the cells right on the edge there. That turned out really cool. Almost like lacing. Look at that section there. That's really cool. Oh, I made a heart. Look at that. I didn't even notice that till just now. That edge is really nice too. Lovely. Yeah, so the center is still very dark. Maybe what I need to do is not do... so far, all three of them, I didn't like the centers. So maybe what I need to do is something other than a sandwich pour. Maybe I need to do a different kind. So maybe I'll layer my cup in a standard way next time. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to see more. So here are the dry results. I've got it out in the wilds because it's kind of a wild painting. I hope you could see the details here. I think it's very cool. I like the marble roll. The colors are great. And yeah, I'll take you in for some close-ups here. Start up in this corner. Very cool. I love those cells on the very edge. Makes it kind of lacy. Those neon colors and other bright, vibrant colors, I love how they swirl. I love the motion that the marble roll gave it. Great suggestion, Kelly from Feral Art. And I love that deep, dark, negative space is beautiful. And yeah, so there you go. I think it's kind of fun. I think the next time I do this, you know, every time I paint, it's a bit of an experiment. So the next time I do this, I'm not going to do a sandwich cup layer. I think I'm going to do it differently, because I do end up with a very dark middle or a very kind of plain middle. So yeah, lessons learned, but I think this is kind of cool. I like it. And I hope you do too. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more, and come back and see me sometime.